Do you find it satisfying when you understand how things work? Do you like making and mending, or getting under the bonnet to make sure that everything is working as it should? If so, you could have a fulfilling and financially rewarding career in the automotive and engineering industries. You could be a mechanical engineer, a fabricator or welder, or a technician in the aerospace sector in Cornwall and far beyond. At Truro and Penwith College, we have the perfect course to suit you. Whatever your age, ability, other life commitments or background, whichever course you pick, you'll practice your trade in purpose-built workshops and benefit from our commitment to excellence in STEM subjects, including the amazing new £7.3 million South West Institute of Technology building. You'll learn from tutors with decades of industry experience. You'll visit the kind of companies you could work for in future, and you'll get to develop your skills in the real world. You could choose an apprenticeship in motor vehicle service and maintenance, mechatronics, machining, or even space engineering and get paid while you learn. You could gain your A-level qualification in electronics or a BTEC extended diploma in engineering, potentially leading to a HNC in manufacturing engineering. Or you could advance your existing professional expertise with a part-time Level 2 award in electric and hybrid vehicle maintenance. And those are just a few examples. The choice is all yours. At the end of your course, you'll walk away with qualifications, specialist skills, and practical experience. You'll have everything you need to progress to higher education or join the automotive and engineering industries and enjoy a fulfilling and well-paid career.
I want to be a specialist in either Mini Coopers or BMWs. So that would be quite cool to do.
So when you're ready to take the next step, explore our range of automotive and engineering courses. Once you've found the perfect fit, apply in just a couple of clicks. Or if you need some help, give us a call and speak to one of our friendly admissions team who will talk you through your options. We can't wait to welcome you to Truro and Penwith College.